Okay. Mm. So, we're just here to talk. And we're texting people. We're texting Sarah and Sammy. I just noticed I'm brushing my hair. Goldfish! Pretzel! It's good! Yes, I finally got it. I've been waiting for that like all day.
Pretzels. The art.
Guess what my favorite song is? Oh my gosh, we haven't been talking. I wish I could burp right now.
Cry.
When did you see it yesterday? Why does Mom cause all this pain in my body? How many cookies have you eaten? I didn't eat any. I only had one. Wow.
Oh my God. What?
He's like, why does Mom cause me this pain? Sponsored by Pretzel Goldfish. Delicious. Nutrition facts. Total fat, 2.5 grams, which is 4%. Ew! Saturated fat, 0.5 grams, 3%. Meow, meow, meow. Look at this picture of cups. Yeah, but it's not working. What? Flash! Come here, buddy. Not you, Roxy. Or okay. Come on, Roxy. Ooh. You smell so bad. Roxy and Lace. Get out of here, Flash. You're making it worse. I'm losing my sense of smell. Josh!
Stop, Alex. Alex. Josh, your hands to yourself, please. Oh my God! I'm just telling you in advance because I usually have to tell you later. Don't say, oh my God, to me. I expect you to say yes, ma'am. Is that your second cookie?
No,
After I told you only one?
I just have to let Roxy flash in. I let Roxy in and flash.
Roxy gotta go outside. She's working.
No, she's not. She just smells really bad.